Death is a depressingly inevitable consequence of life, but now scientists believe they may have found some light at the end of the tunnel. The largest ever medical study into near-death and out-of-body experiences has discovered that some awareness may continue even after the brain has shut down completely. It is a controversial subject which has, until recently, been treated with widespread skepticism. Is there life after death? We recognize the radical disruption that death represents. In a moment, your memories, your experiences, your personality all seem to disappear. With your last breath, you cease to exist. From dust you came and to dust you return. Is there more? The questions perplex us even today. Could we ever know if there was anything beyond the grave? How? Perhaps some essential part of us survives death and exists forever. Many ideas have been proposed: an immortal soul, a resurrected body, or a reincarnated being. Why are such beliefs so ubiquitous, when the evidence is so inconclusive? And if we could live on, would we necessarily want to? The question haunted our earliest ancestors, and the answer remains elusive to this day. In this series of essays, we asked philosophers, theologians, and scientists, is there life after death? A team of psychologists and medical doctors associated with the Technische Universität of Berlin have announced this morning that they had proven by clinical experimentation the existence of some form of life after death. This astonishing announcement is based on the conclusions of a study using a new type of medically supervised near-death experiences, TAW. To allow patients to be clinically dead for almost 20 minutes before being brought back to life. The team of scientists led by Dr. Berthold Ackermann has monitored the operations and have compiled the testimonies of the subjects. Although there are some SLIG-HT variations from one individual to another, all of the subjects have some memories of their period of clinical death, and a vast majority of them described some very similar sensations. Most common memories include a feeling of detachment from the body, feelings of levitation, total serenity, security, warmth, the experience of absolute dissolution, and the presence of an overwhelming light. I know our results could disturb the beliefs of many people, says Mr. Ackermann. But in a way, we have just answered one of the greatest questions in the history of mankind. So I hope these people will be able to forgive us. Yes, there is life after death, and it looks like this applies to everyone. Although many could not recall specific details, some themes emerged. 1 in 5 said they had felt an unusual sense of peacefulness, while nearly 1/3 said time had slowed down or speeded up. Some recalled seeing a bright light, a golden flash, or the sun shining. Others recounted feelings of fear or drowning or being dragged through deep water. 13% said they had felt separated from their bodies, and the same number said their sense had been heightened. There is some very good evidence here that these experiences are actually happening after people have medically died. We just don't know what is going on. We are still very much in the dark about what happens when you die, and hopefully this study will help shine a scientific lens onto that.